Today we introduce the dynamic analyzer. Let me introduce the mainframe. It has 3 interfaces, yellow, green and red. And there are 3 drawings on it. The 3 wiring diagrams correspond to the functions below. The current wiring diagram can be tested below, can be wired. It can also be viewed in the manual. The instructions have the same wiring diagram. What about after you turn it on, through this knob? Rotate left and right to adjust the selected position, then click to confirm. Then we'll run a routine test. We can follow the first thread. Connect our PE and PR. PE, PR just use our setting. The line corresponds to this red and black line axis. The 2 colors correspond exactly. You can see it according to the wiring diagram. PE and PR are connected to the primary side of our transformer. And then we see the transformer. Connect both ends of the primary side of the top of the transformer. And then let's look at this. The red and green lines are SE and SR. Now let's start with SE and SR. Connect to our instruments separately. Just put it in the right color. Then according to the picture, we can get the yellow and green lines of SE, SR are connected separately. And then the black lines on the other end come straight together, and then add it to our secondary measurement of the transformer. So we have our first picture connected. CT test. Then we look at the settings. The first thing we set is the level of the transformer. Ours is a normal measuring scale. That's level P. And then we do the first setup. Test frequency and test current. Just set it to 2 amps. The second is frequency conversion. Input the primary and secondary current of the transformer. Then the capacity and capacitance input values. Just follow the name of this transformer. Resistance setting. We can get the first temperature. It's the current ambient temperature. Can be set. Now my room temperature is 25 degrees, equivalent to 25 degrees, and then convert to 75 degrees. And then we confirm. Once selected, click Start. Start testing. Choose the results of our experiment. Click Save. After I hit Save, you can choose to save to the local machine or U-disk. There is a USB interface on the side of the instrument for direct access. Then we can print the current test result. And then we print out this waveform. That's our inflection point voltage diagram. And you can see here the inflection point voltage, present current. Inflection voltage and inflection current. Then we can print this diagram. the specific data. You can also click on our data, the same click print. Print detailed data. Below are our regular test results. And in the middle is our excitation characteristic diagram. Here are some details of the excitation characteristics. Well, after the tests are done, click back. Direct shutdown instrument.